Hello all, I am Shahidi.
And I'm Pranav Subbaraman.
On behalf of all my co-authors, I present the late working work HoloType Live Experience-Based Communication Training for Non-Speaking Autistic people. About one-third of autistic people are non-speaking. Testimonials from non-speaking autistic typers and their therapists suggest that this population can communicate by pointing to letters if motor issues are targeted and if support is provided for sensory and attentional issues. Unfortunately, traditional communication interventions don't focus on this aspect. In this paper, we designed a software-based communication training system geared for non-speaking autistic people. The system is designed to improve coding skills of a user within the context of engaging age-appropriate educational lessons. The design of the system incorporates information from two different sources: non-speaking typers and therapists. Many non-speaking autistic people have learned to communicate by pointing to letters. Their published testimonials provide rich insight on how to design a computer-based system that teaches this population expressive communication skills via typing. The paper has more details, but the key lessons are pursuing the competence of non-speaker, development of expressive language skills, and sensory motor support. We consulted extensively with therapists with expertise teaching non-speakers to type. Details are in the paper, but the main idea is to teach motor skills in the context of age-appropriate lessons. Furthermore, motor skills should be developed in a graduated manner via different levels. For example, in the beginner level, interactions are limited to two large buttons. Visual and audio cues are offered to foster better engagement. In the intermediate level, the number of interaction choices increases and the size of the buttons decrease. Cues are faded out gradually. In the advanced mode, users have access to a full letterboard and they are free engaged in more open-ended interactions. Finally, detecting and mitigating anxiety is important for successful outcomes. We decided to implement an AR-based prototype called HoloType to implement these requirements. We selected AR because it has more appealing properties. For example, we can offer large buttons. Holographic input devices can move with user. Handheld eye gaze tracking can be used to customize the learning environment. Furthermore, AR is not immersive as VR, and hence a learner can still interact with their therapists and caregivers.
In this slide, we can see the system architecture. We use natural language processing techniques to customize standard lessons to lessons customized to different motor profiles. These lessons can be further refined by a therapist. The lessons are delivered using HoloLens 2. Fitbit data from the learner and tracking data from the HoloLens are used for customization. In our future work, we plan to do the human subject studies of the prototype and add other features, for example, putting a virtual avatar of a trusted caregiver for emotional regulation. Thanks for your attention.